Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer TRX from Kraken to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to stay safe in the crypto world. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Revolut. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and create them. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, start by checking your TRX balance on Kraken. Go to your wallet section and verify how much TRX you have available for withdrawal. Next, navigate to the withdrawal page on Kraken. Select TRX from your list of assets and double-check that you're using the correct network, typically Tron's own network, for this transfer. Now, you'll need the Revolut wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and find your TRX wallet address. Copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Back on Kraken, paste the Revolut address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but be mindful of any network fees that might apply. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything is accurate. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic in 2025. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your TRX balance updated. And just like that, you're all set. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses and amounts to prevent losses from hacks or errors. Crypto regulations might change by 2025, so keep an eye on updates from Kraken and Revolut. If this guide helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.